Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to bass boost songs in Audacity. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the File menu. Click on File and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Open. This will bring up your computer's file browser. Now browse through your computer folders to locate the audio file you want to enhance. Once you've found it, click on the audio file to select it, then click the Open button. This will import your track into Audacity and display the waveform on your screen. Next, you'll need to select the portion of the audio you want to bass boost. You can press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select the entire track, or you can simply double-click on the audio waveform to select everything. Alternatively, if you only want to boost a specific section, you can click and drag to highlight just that part. With your audio selected, navigate to the top toolbar and click on Effect. Then hover your mouse over EQ and Filters, and from the submenu that appears, select Bass and Treble. This tool gives you direct control over the low-frequency content in your audio. In the bass and treble window, look for the bass option. You can either enter an exact number directly into the text field, or you can use the slider to adjust the level. Generally, setting the bass between 3 and 6 works well. For this tutorial, I'll set it to 4, which provides a noticeably richer bass presence without making the audio sound too muddy or distorted. This moderate boost enhances the low end while maintaining clarity. Once you've adjusted the bass to your liking, click the Apply button in the bottom right corner. This processes your audio with the new bass settings and applies them to your selection. Now, to take the bass enhancement even further, click on Effect again in the top toolbar. Hover your mouse over EQ and Filters once more, then select Filter Curve EQ. This advanced equalizer gives you more precise control over the frequency spectrum. In the Filter Curve EQ window, click on Presets and Settings in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over Factory Presets, then select Bass Boost from the list. This preset applies a professionally designed curve that emphasizes the low frequencies in a balanced way. Finally, click the Apply button in the bottom right corner to finalize the effect. And that's it! You've successfully enhanced the bass in your audio using 2 complementary methods in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.